onions, garlic, tapos yung potatoes.
Everyone is watching, but I still feel so alone, alone, alone. And I've been waiting on a miracle, but by the time it comes I'll probably be stoned or on my phone. Oh no, now I'm sure that you have got the perfect positive quote to say, but I don't want your optimism today. I just wanna complain. It takes a whole damn hour to afford 2 gallons, and I'm not doing enough. Another day, another challenge. I woke up one day and the world was cold. Feel like I'm way too young.
Hi guys! So it's the next day of my vlog. Yung ginawa namin kagahapon ay nagluto kami ng adobo, nagpagupit ako, and kumain kami sa milk tea shop ng mga pinsan ko. Today, I just want to share with you the clothes that I bought. So, basic colors lang naman to. Hindi naman yung nasa loob ng mga wardrobe ko, like black, white, brown, neutrals, kasi nga, madali silang bagayan. First na ipapakita ko ay itong white tube top. Ang nagustuhan ko is yung detail niyang ganito. Yung first impression ko sa kanya, akala ko na-adjust siya or na-fit, pero hindi. Kung ano yung kinuha mong size, yun na talaga yun. Kagaya siya nung sinuot ko sa cafe. Ang ganda niya kasi guys. And kinuha ko yung brown. Kasi nga, favorite color ko is brown din. And madadali kasi silang mga bagayan. Like sa mga skirt, sa pants. At saka kapag biglaan kami aalis. or gusto ko mag-take ng photos, ganyan, hindi ako nahihirapan. Gagamit ko to kapag may mga errands or picture purposes. Dito naman tayo sa bottom. Pinagkaiba lang nito, cotton, tas yung isa ay denim. So, that's the end of my video. I hope you like this video. And if you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. So, bye-bye guys. Keep safe and love you all. So, bye-bye guys. Tell me what you do.